Hi travelers! Welcome one more day to my channel. My name is Gloria and I'm in Norway. And today is gonna be my first hiking and camping in Norway. And I'm so excited for it. So I'm here with my friend Raluca. Now she's changing her clothes to start the hiking. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon and we came to this natural reserve, which I don't even know how to pronounce, so I will just write it down because it's much easier. And I found a route that we can do is like 4 kilometers, like going up the forest, and then you have like really nice views. And that's the plan, like to do the hike, and we just have lunch. Like I made a complete nice food with cauliflower, potato, chickpeas, also carrots, and I made it this morning so it was still warm when we get here. Yummy!
Let's eat.
We are full of energy and we are excited to start the hiking, and you are coming with us, so come on! So we left the car here and we are starting the road! Yay! Are you ready, La Raluca?
No.
Vamos, vamos! Norway, you can camp everywhere and you can make fire, but just be careful and make sure the fire is extinguished before you leave. You can go hiking everywhere, but for example for this place we paid 45 crowns to enter because it's a natural reserve, but there are houses and lakes and roads, so it's really safe and it's very good to come here. Try to pronounce this. Down, and this part is a bit more difficult because it's all down with big rocks and branches all over, and it's like a slope, so you have to be really careful. Look at that house in the middle of the forest. There's some lakes around here, but if it was sunny I would really go inside like jumping, but because the weather it's cloudy, it's gonna be cold and I don't want to get cold and die here. But next time, I promise, next time. So finally we made it to the car. Fuck, we got lost. It was already 5 o'clock and we checked the map and we were fucking far away, and we had like 4 kilometers to come back, and we saw a guy and he told us if we continue through the road we will get here, but it's like 1 hour walking, so we were like going really fast, so we didn't want to get dark in the road. It was like really fucked up. So good to come to the car, like it's just here. So here's where we are gonna spend the night, and we have a mattress inside and some sleeping bags, and so good. It was like such a nice road, like the trail going up, but then we missed the way at some point and we end up going around, so just be careful. morning. It's been such a nice night, like very interesting. So I'm gonna show you where we slept, and it's here in the van. We had a mattress and sleeping bags, and the bags are covered in us so it gets not that cold. And we have our stuff here. We even found a mirror. We have everything. And from this you have these views. Not bad, huh? And we also have those chairs, so that's our like living room, our bedroom. And these are the views, and it's so cool. So the night's been interesting, like good. I went to sleep at 11 and I slept till 5, like really okay, like just dreaming around and moving a bit. But then I woke up and my nose was frozen, like frozen. Like I was touching it, like I couldn't, like I was covering myself all over with the sleeping bag and I didn't know what to do. Like I was getting so uncomfortable, like I didn't know how to sleep anymore. I went out and Raluca also woke up, so we decided to go to the front part. And oh my god, the sky is awesome. Like you can't believe there were so many stars, like so bright, you can see them. And it was like such a clear sky, like all over these, like over the forest, and it was so quiet and so amazing. Like we were there for a bit and then we went to the front part and we were watching the stars, like you know, with this app that it says what are those stars and what do they form, like the Ursa Minor. It was just in front of us and I was like, the dots, they make something, no? Like yeah, use a major and then use a minor. I was like, oh my god, it's so amazing, like so good. So we were there watching the stars and then I fall asleep again and I just woke up like 8:30 or something like that. So it's been a really nice night actually, but I don't know, like sleeping in the back, like now it's getting colder, so it's not such a good idea. It was very good, like really good, like the stars, oh my god, amazing, like amazing. Wow, look at the reflection. It's amazing. And we made it to the lake. At least like one of the many lakes that are here. And it's really cool, the reflections that are made in the water. So calm and quiet. It's like perfect. It's so quiet here. And we are gonna spend a bit of time here just relaxing and enjoying the peaceful time here. But first, I'm gonna show you my essentials for camping, which are like really useful and you should know them too. So I'm gonna show you my essentials for camping, and there are not many, like there are 5 must things you can take in your backpack, at least for me. So the first one, it's pretty obvious, and it's a lantern. It's really useful in the night and also when you go to the toilet in the forest. It's really good not to get lost. Also, for this cold weather, I use Vaseline a lot. I use it for everything, like for my fingers, for if I have a scar, in my eyelids, in my face. It's everything, everywhere. Very useful. Curve! Oh fuck, I didn't film that. Shit, look at, do it again.
Ice.
It's a bit icy, yeah, like this is, but it's like really thin layer. Oh, this is frozen actually. Look, this is frozen. So my third essential is of course water, and you already know this bottle. It's a thermo from Taiwan and it's great if you want to keep like cold water or very hot water. It keeps for up to 12 hours and it has this lid so you can close it and keep it forever. The fourth thing is very important, a phone with battery and internet. Like you always need a map, where are you, the GPS, like at least tell one person where you are going, where are you, and how long it's gonna take the route, and just tell them when you are back so they know that you are fine and everything went well. You don't have to tell them like all the story, but at least tell them you are okay, which is very important. And last but not least is my sunglasses. Who says sunglasses are only for summer? Like, I use them all year long because these are so good. Like, it's from Northweek and I have a promo code down. So if you want to check it and you want to get your new sunglasses with discount, it's awesome. They have like anti-scratch and polarized crystals, and they have like different colors. They're really good, and it's really useful for even for cloudy days. It's really good to have them, and so fashionable now. So these are my essentials, and let's keep enjoying these views. Also, if you want to see how we came up all this way, check my highlights in Instagram in hiking and camping, because I made a video there showing all the steps and all the route we did. And if you enjoy my experience hiking and camping in Norway, just click thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and comment what did you do. Like if you like camping and where have you camped in Norway, give me any advice and suggestions, and I'll try to do it next time. So thanks so much. Ciao!